My name is Neil Polhemus. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at StatGraphics Technologies, Inc., in charge of the development of the StatGraphics software product. I received a PhD from Princeton University, where I studied with Stu Hunter, learning a lot about statistics, design of experiments, quality control, and so forth. I spent 2 years at the University of North Carolina teaching statistics in the business school, and 6 years as an assistant professor at Princeton in the engineering school teaching statistics to engineers. The title of the book that I wrote is called Process Capability Analysis, Estimating Quality. Capability analysis is extremely important in a lot of industries in order to demonstrate that the products or services that they're producing meet various types of requirements and specifications. I found out that a lot of practitioners, although they understood how to calculate capability indices and tolerance limits and so forth, didn't actually have a very good grasp of how those indices should be used and what the assumptions were and what techniques needed to be applied when the basic assumptions didn't hold. Things like normality and independence and sample size and things like that. So I decided to write a book that would help basic data analysts and practitioners, engineers, scientists, and so forth estimate process capability in situations when the typical assumptions did not hold. So the book deals with things like transformations, it deals with multivariate capability indices, multivariate tolerance limits, and things like that that you don't see much discussion of in a lot of other textbooks. So the audience I had in mind when I wrote the book was not statisticians, but it was consumers of statistics. Okay, people that calculate tolerance limits and capability analyses and so forth, and make decisions about whether their products and services are adequate based upon those statistics. And I wanted to be sure that they applied those procedures properly so that the results they would get were meaningful and useful and correct.